pizza!
Hello everyone, Chuck E. Cheesy here. Today we are going to be going over the Wyomissing, Pennsylvania location. We're going to be going over the games, art, stage setup, and pretty much everything that this location has to offer. So without further ado, let's get right into it.
Okay, so we have the Studio C bot here. He is, there's air coming through him, but maybe he has a leak or something. He's not doing his usual random movements. We got the only red apple in the world. Pizza clock, no bird, no phone. Of course, kids bot playing. Yeah, pretty cool stage. And then if you come over here, check out the bridge. They have some trucks. So those are kind of cool. Never seen that at a location. Got the sign, blue screen back there. Got some art, like the Dr. Chuck, CWO, Elvis. There's a little theater one. We got the what's it called? Drive-in. So pretty much all the CCTVs. They got Friends. There's Warhols up there. But Pasquale back there hanging out. Phase 3 stuff. Pretty Phase 3 focused. Pretty sure they have all the CCTVs besides a couple. I think they're missing some. But yeah. It's a stage update. Chuck's looking pretty good. 32 movement bot. Got his hands, feet. He moves pretty well when he does, but doesn't look like he's moving today. Guess that's just down the luck. Clock. Not sure if it lights up. I'm sure it works, but I think it only would light up during shows. But yeah, that's it for the stage. Pretty good condition.
So like I said in the video, the stage is in pretty good shape. However, when I went there, he was not doing his usual random movements. Now, I did see him in October when he had his Dracula cape or whatever, and he was doing pretty okay. He was moving and doing all this Chuck's random stuff. However, I do believe there's an air leak that prevented him from doing any further movements. This location is pretty interesting because on the outside, it looks like a Phase 5, but on the inside, it has a lot of Phase 3/Phase 4 decor. These decorations range from the Phase 4 Rules of Conduct, the Phase 3 Sassy Mr. Munch, the Phase 3 Chuck hanging above the wall, the Phase 3 Men in Black, the Phase 4 Ice Cream Machine with the original Phase 4 buttons, the Vintage Chuck, the Phase 3 Beverages and Pasquale Postcard, the Warhols, the Drive-In, the Elvis and Theater, most of the must-see TVs, and finally another Phase 3 Chuck sign. Now, I didn't take pictures of these decorations, but there were the vintage Jasper piece and the Mr. Munch in the Ocean. Now, there wasn't too many games there, but the games that were there were pretty good. There was Dog Pounder, the Rare Robin Hood game, the Flying Chuck Ride, the Sketchbook, a bunch of coin pushers, and the Chuck E. Cheese basketball game. Now, if I had to give a rating for this location, in all honesty, I would probably give it an 8.7 out of 10. It really is a fantastic location. The game selection is quite nice, the stage is in pretty good condition, and the art and decor are really well maintained and diverse. So yeah, 8.7 out of 10, pretty good score, and I'll see you guys in the next one.